Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be sharing with you guys 2 ways we use Moringa for maximum hair growth. Moringa has been a big part of our hair growth journey, so we'll be sharing with you guys 2 different ways we use it. The first and most popular way we use moringa is as a hair butter. This is one of our favorite recipes and now is a favorite of you guys. The first ingredient we'll be using in our moringa hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using 5 tablespoons of raw unscented shea butter. The second ingredient we'll be using for this hair butter is moringa powder. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is cloves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. The fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. We will then be adding in a heaped tablespoon of sulfur-8. And lastly, we'll be adding in 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Once you have all your ingredients in a jar, now it's time to double boil it. Once your mixture has cooled down, it's time to strain it. Strain and transfer your mixture into a clean plastic container to store your hair butter. To store, place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. By the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. This hair butter is perfect for slow hair growth, bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis, hair breakage, brittle hair and hair thinning. This hair butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can also be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. It can be used 1 to 2 times a week. Our second favorite way that we use moringa is by making our moringa hair growth oil. This oil consists of just 3 ingredients that are very potent on their own, but even better when combined. The first ingredient we'll be using in this hair growth oil is hibiscus. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of hibiscus leaves. And today we'll be blending the hibiscus leaves into powder form to make it better for infusing into the oils. The second ingredient we'll be using in this hair growth oil is moringa powder. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. The third ingredient we'll be using in this oil is cloves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. Now it's time to add in our carrier oils. We'll be using 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil and 100 ml of pure almond oil.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Once your oils are added in, mix in everything and then double boil on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
After double boiling and once your mixture has cooled down, you can strain out the oil. A clean wig cap or cheesecloth can be used to do this.
Not get ahead of my time.
Now your hair growth oil is ready for use. You can refer to these 3 ingredients as a powerful trio because they are packed with a variety of holistic nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair.
Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
How to use: apply this hair growth oil by using the oil dropper and massage gently into your scalp. This oil can be applied onto the body of your hair and worked through from your scalp to your ends. It can be applied every 2 to 3 days. Guys, these are our 2 best ways of using moringa for maximum hair growth. Let us know in the comment section down below which one you prefer, the moringa hair butter or the moringa hair growth oil. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!